Hello guys, it's Caldos here and welcome to a new video. And today we're on Team Fortress 2. Starting off on, crap, what's this map called? Landfall. Yeah, we're starting on Landfall. Yeah. You can see right now, oh dang. I'm on Landfall playing as a black box soldier. With a pirate chasing my butt off. My butt just turned into fried butt. Well, first death already. 16 seconds of respawn. Let's try again, shall we? We picked up the enemy intelligence. Yeah, I don't care. Hurry up. See, I'm playing the black box soldier because you see, we don't got any medics right now. And you see, medics are like really essential. But no medics, which means I gotta go heal myself. Oh, I got crit. We have secured. I suck at like getting crits. I just miss every single shot. How bad I am. And then I hit like shots without crits. You're gonna be over here. Or not. Oh. Oh, run. Bad idea. Oh, dang it! What a fail. It's a Deadringer spy. It's also a scout.
Alert. The enemy has taken on the The enemy has dropped our flag.
Heck no! Go up the stairs. Nice. Now, watch out for incoming Havers or something. Hoover. What? That was bad. That was also bad. You suck, demo. Ooh, look at the gun. Level 87 minigun, eh?
Our intelligence has returned to our base.
Pretty good. Let's go, Demo Men. Yeah, Demo Knight. Let's go. Go on, Demo Knight. You guys are like gonna die for me. They picked up our intelligence? No, they didn't. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Let's go, go. Kill some blue with some Demo Knights.
You failed. The enemy has secured our intelligence.
I call cheats. You suck. Call you cheats. You cheater, dirty cheater. Ooh, look at that unusual one.
Alert. The enemy has taken
Yeah,
our
go, spy, nice shot. Let's go again. Shall we? Dying too much, boys.
We have taken the enemy and we have brought the enemy intelligence.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh, run. Let's not do this. Let's also not do this when they have crits. Oh! You'll never get me alive, are you? Some beach. Salordo. You suck. Oh, wrong button. I'm going to spy, you know what? I don't care if there's already one. I'm going to spy. I'm going to be a better spy. I don't care. I'm going to be a better spy. I'm going to be much better. I see that soldier. Ha! Tricked ya! Haha. Thanks, Oli.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Good. Oh, they won, didn't they?
You failed.
Rigs. Well, we're gonna be back on a new map. Oh, you don't see me. Yes. Okay. Never mind. Not a new map. Same map. Okay. Try again. I'm still the second spy. Still good. I'll beat you, Vac. V.A.C. I'll beat your score. I'll beat 45, alright. Scout can see me. Good. Someone might have bumped into me. Nice job,
The
Scout.
enemy has dropped our intelligence. We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Yeah, we dropped 2 men.
Vladimir, c'est qui là?
Ooh, what was that? That was sweet. Nope. Let's decloak and wait. What was that? That was like
We have
dumb
taken
back
the
down
enemy
there.
intelligence. We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Ah, Tyler, you can't see me. You don't see me. Never mind, you do. Come on, flip around. Oh! Power didn't come for me.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Keep picking the intelligence up. Give me 10 more seconds. That's bad. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again.
Success. We have secured the enemy intelligence.
Now we have crits. Never mind. Ran out of quits. That's bad. You go! Nice one, Sniper. You did it. You go, kid. Now a puddle. That's bad.
We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Dropped it. We picked it and we dropped it. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm not gonna wait for the guy. I'm just gonna go behind. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try something first.
Je suis coincé.
Never mind. Ooh, he just ran away from me.
We have dropped the enemy
New
intelligence.
scouts. Dude, the whole team is scouts. That's crazy. Oh, messed up. Run. God dang it! He was faster than me. Moochie. Let's think of a different class while we... What class? Let's do... Okay, you know what? We're gonna try this again.
The enemy intelligence
It's
will
gonna be
return
regular
to the
grenade
base.
launcher. Let's try again. Second try. Oh, I'm not a spy, Solly. Focus on your work. Focus on my work either. I just died. Never mind. That's good. Let's go in here. Get some more health and recharge our charge meter. Let's go YOLO ham again. Oh, I know where you're going. What? Oh, you're too good at this game. I'm too bad at this game. Why am I doing so bad right now? Sorry, Angie. Mr. Lightning. Two, one. Yeah. Ooh. Let's go, let's go, go. Demo night. Engineer? Nope. Let's go. We can do this. If we be sneaky, we'll do it.
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Yeah, come right at me.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence. We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Now wait and throw a pill there. And a pill there. And a pill there. And then we're freaking charge. Go ham. And we're gonna do it. I think we're gonna cap it. No heavy. Dude, I have the thing.
That will teach him!
We have secured the enemy intelligence.
Yes, killed enemy intelligence. Yeah. Our intelligence has returned. God, you're annoying sometimes. Do. Let's go try again.
We have taken the enemy
Nice scout.
intelligence.
I got you this time. You're not getting me. Run! I got the health.
Victory.
Victory! Yeah, we did it! Pretty beautiful, huh? That's good. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Goodbye!